Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to continue on our tutorial of Visual Basic, which is level 2. So we are going to open our application here. Mine is 2005. You can use anyone, as in you can use 2006, 7, 8. Okay. And then we're going to File, New Project. Here we choose Windows application. Let's rename as level 2. Okay. As you can see here, we have our toolbox, our interface, and properties, and the Solution Explorer. But as for today, we're going to use only one form. So in this system we're going to have only one interface. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to look for label, bring it to the interface, make sure it's clicked, and then come to the text and rename it as Salutation to Users. And then let's go up and change the font style. Okay, click it. Here's the font, and I'm going to choose. You can choose anything. Anyone buy? Okay, I would like this one, letter Romantic, and choose bold, and choose size 9, and press OK. Okay, let's keep it in a good way. And then, since we're going to display messages for the salutation, we're going to need text boxes. Okay, you locate it in the toolbox, press it, and when it comes to interface, you press Control so that you can put many text boxes within a click. So press Control, put the first text box, the second text box, leave the control and press it so it's finished. And then select all of them, resize in the size that you want. Okay. And then we're going to put buttons. The choose button. As usual, press Control, button 1. Don't leave the control, hold it. Button 2, and then leave the control for the last button. And press OK. So just keep it in an organized form. Select, resize them in the middle. Okay. Now here we go to our interface. It looks nice. Okay, so the button 1 I'm going to rename as English. Okay, button 2 I'm going to rename as Swahili, and the last button I'm going to choose close or exit. You can write any. Okay, so here we got our interface. It's very nice, huh? Yeah. Anyway, now if you execute it, we can have the interface here and the focus. But whenever you click or whatever, it's not working because we haven't programmed yet. Okay. So now we are going to programming thing. So when someone clicks English button, what it should do, Swahili and whatever. So the first thing, you double click on the button, so it will send you to its code. Okay, here inside the place that you have to put the code. So okay, since this if someone clicks English, the message should display in text box 1. See here, the name is text box 1. You You can come up over here and see name text box 1, and you can rename it any name, but I would prefer to leave as it is, text box 1. Okay, so double click to English button and put text box 1 dot text space, will automatically rewrite equal to commands, and then put your message, maybe okay, hello, inverted commas. Okay, so it's hello. Okay, and then we go to button 2, Swahili, double click it, write text box, that's text box 2, right, space equal to inverted commas, small icon. Okay, and then for the last button, I think we're familiar with this, just great, me dots, pressing title, keep the code automatically, made it close, it's for closing. And then, without forgetting, if you guys put in comments, it's very an important thing for future reference, you know, but it's up to you. So just put like the inverted commas is for displaying the message to the text box. Yeah, you can write whatever, it's only comment. That's why it turns into green so that it cannot be executed. Yeah, it's just a comment. Okay, and here you can put any if you prefer. Okay, so let's execute or run it or debug it and see what have we produced. Okay, so here is our program or our interface. So if I click English, it will display hello, and if I click Swahili, it will display Assalamu alaikum, and if you press close, it will close. That's it. But one thing, if you realize, like in this text box, if I tend to write, it will write, which doesn't look good, you know. So we have to put constraint so that nobody can write anything, it's only display. So if we go to our interface, you click the text box, and then in read only over here in the properties, you choose true, and this as well, and true. Okay, so okay, and one thing in this text box, I would like to put a full color. It's very easy, just text box 1 dot full color, it will come automatically. Just press space equal to, and then a lot of colors here will display. So I would like to choose this BSQ, double click it, and I will do the same. I will just copy and paste for the other button 2. You see here it's button 2, that's why I know. Okay, so paste it, Control V, okay, and just change here into 2. Also, because our color is somehow like yellow or creamy, so I would like to put the text box into a black ground. Okay, so you can see in the properties here, back color. I will choose active text, and this I will do the same. It's okay. It's just designing, so it's up to you. So let's execute it and try it out. Okay, we got it here. So here is our interface. You can resize it, you can do whatever. And if someone tends to write, it won't write. But if I click English, it will display hello, and Swahili, it will display Assalamu alaikum. And if you close, it will close. So that's it for today. Yeah, this is a little bit easy, but it's good for you to give concept of the Visual Basic. And I'm going to try to be very slowly in this tutorial so that you guys can make up to it. Yeah, and it's very easy. Okay, let's say it's object oriented. Everything is been done. Okay, so that's it. If you have any comments, please, and please don't forget to subscribe and comment. If you have any inquiries, please email me at sulaimanhs@hotmail.com or visit my website mawo.yolasite.com. Okay, see you.